partnership exercise. Accredited social health activists, Asha workers in Nongstoin have gone on an indefinite strike demanding better pay and better conditions. The workers have been complaining about inadequate pay and lack of support from the government for a long time. Asha workers have refused to work under their demands until their demands are met. The demands included increase in their payments, timely release of payments, and social security benefits. Mirajun Mirsing, president of the Meghalaya Asha Workers Union, claimed they are overworked and underpaid. The strike was called after their meeting with Health Minister Ampareen Lingdor turned out to be unsuccessful. Rambrai Jirngam MLA RG Moment